typical bus steering, fucking wafting all over the place. We made the decision to replace it with this geezer called Fabio at Mectal. We're going to get rid of this hydraulic stuff that was from a 80s Mercedes. I'm on my way to his to start ripping out all the old shit. Gonna get my hands greasy, baby, yeah!
Fala galera combeira, tudo tranquilo? Aqui é o Fabio da Mectal. Eu sou especializado em Kombi. Encontrei esses gringos malucos aí pelas ruas. Eles me acharam também através do Facebook, tem algumas publicações. E é isso aí, eu sou especializado em suspensão, direção, motor, adaptação de Kombis. E através do Facebook, para dar um jeito na direção deles, acabamos arrumando suspensão, direção. Foi colocada a direção de Monza, foi adaptado um setor elétrico em cima da direção do Monza para que possa ficar bem dirigível, sem folga, para garantir o conforto deles, para dar essa viagem por aí que eles vão fazer através do Brasil e fora do Brasil também. Vamos mostrar então um pouco desses gringos loucos.
So we are here at Fabio's. This is some of his customers' trucks. And there's Wilma. This is all the gear that's coming out, all this pump and all the stuff up to the front. Feeling like a real mechanic. And I've got one of these bad boys. Bus is in the air, so I'm currently stripping out all the old power steering. It's a proper bodge job. Steering's coming off, steering was all leaking. I feel like a fucking boss on this thing. I'm gonna get one of these when we get home. Sashbone have just taken the guard off. There's some little mouse poo. We've been carrying some mouse poo with us. Old, yucky steering. Yucky! New steering box, refurb. And this is our Monza rack and pinion steering. Fabio doing his thing in his flip-flops, of course. Riding with Fabio. So we've come here to get the spindles. This is the dude. Getting rebuilt spindles. And this fella, this boy's got all the big Service Automotos, South Francisco do Sul. Nice. Fresh spindles. New bearings from the man Fabio. Mectal fabrication. So we took this out. I think this is the brake bias valve that Fabio noticed. There was something wrong with it. I've taken it out. This bad boy's going to fix it. Come on, Rambo. To be honest with you, I've got no idea what I'm looking at, but it's making me looking inside there. I'm like, I don't know. It's alright though, he's got it, cleaning it. Looking clean. Clean. Yes.
Brake servo's completely full of brake fluid. Well, there's your problem. So yeah, he whipped off the old master cylinder and said the seal was buggered. 24 quid for a new one, let's have it.
Old one, new one. So I've got to say, Fabio's been great. He's noticed stuff wrong with the brakes and he's helped me take the part off and he's helping me fix it. What a geezer. She's good. Steering box, the linkage going down to the Monza rack and pinion steering. Getting rid of all that old shit. We're at the truck stop with the big boys. What even is this? Oh, grease gun. Fucking hell! That's so powerful. Lube, baby. Lube. Hanging in the back there, Walt socks. And our new wheel. So our old wheel had these where it hadn't been done up properly, and it's like all up. You can see it wearing through. Getting the studs out of here because our ones are all rounded off. Old ruined studs and the new freshies that are going on. Trash freshies. Fabio sorted this out a freshie coin. Rear wheel alignment. We were totally out. Got some little shims on the go though, just to wedge in there. Fabio's got the big strap on out.
Aquele facão de lá
Going to show who's boss.
Essa roda traseira do lado de cá tá 7 graus negativo e essa daqui pra lá tá 3 graus negativo.
Fabio today is on engine duty. Balancing the carbs. 7. What you doing there, Sashbon?
Just fixing this here carburetor too.
What was wrong with that one there, Sashbon?
Had a split in there.
Oh, Fabio is right once again. Look, this is all knackered. This is the reason why the combi was slumping to one side. The old worn rubbers. Ooh, bad boys. Yeah, what are you doing there, Sashbon?
Changing the oil.
Additional to the Monza steering, we've gone for this electric power steering off of a Toyota Etios to make it nice and light.
I'm currently wiring up the power steering ECU. This is the unit that we've got that controls this box here. So, and unfortunately we don't have all the plugs, so we're here looking for the bits. We're thinking we found it. So after what seems like an eternity trying to work out the wiring on this shit, we finally got all this shit wired in. Sashbon approves. One-handed. Oh yeah, baby. Nice. Oh yeah, super light. Oh. Now look, so it's in a straight line.
Yeah.
Oh, she's smooth, baby. Sashbon's driving with the new electric Monza steering by Mectal.
Doing pretty good.
Oh, original horn button. Oh. This is a very happy moment for me. Fabio! Alright, bad boy. Look, man, 100 kilometers an hour. 10 kilometers an hour, look. Straight as a die, man. She's perfecto! Cheers, buddy. We miss you. Say hi, Sasha.